Hello everybody, I'm Zach, and today I'm going to show you how to use this coffee maker right here. So yeah, let's do it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to fill this thing up with some water. And as you can see, there's measurements on the side here. It has to be a certain amount. But for this example, I've decided to do 6 cups of water, which of course is going to translate to 6 cups of coffee. And then you're also going to need your coffee grounds, of course. You've got a cylinder full of them with the coffee scooper already inside of it, so that is all ready to go. All right, so let's do this. The first thing that I should note is that there's already a permanent coffee filter right here, so there's no need to use coffee filters. You've got a permanent one right here, but if you want to use a paper coffee filter, you can do it if you want, but it's not necessary. So the first thing that we are going to do is we're going to take the water and pour it in here. There we go. Put this back on. Now for the coffee grounds. Now, obviously everybody has different preferences for how strong they want their coffee, but I'm just gonna kind of give you a general measurement just so you have something to go off of. And that is for every 2 cups of water, we want to do 1 coffee scoop of grounds. So in this case, because we have 6 cups of water, we're going to do 3 coffee scoops worth of grounds. So we're going to take them, kind of just go like that to flatten it, and pour it into the permanent coffee filter on top. And because we did 6 cups of water, we're going to do 3 of these, as I said. There we go. Close it up. So once everything is all set up and the machine is plugged in, what you're going to do is you're going to press the power button right there. Press the brew button and wait for the coffee to brew. And this should take about between 5 and 10 minutes, depending on how much water you used. So yeah, I'll be back in a second when the coffee is completely brewed. All right, so the coffee is completed. It's right here inside of this thing are 6 cups of coffee. So of course, now that it's done, you can take this, you can pour it inside your favorite mug and enjoy it. Now when it comes to cleanup, the most important thing is remember to not forget about the old coffee grounds right here. You're gonna wanna take these coffee grounds and just dump them in the garbage. And also keep in mind that all the pieces, the filter, this thing right here, and the lid, they're all dishwasher safe. So once you're finished with the coffee and you dump the coffee grounds out, you can just put all them in the dishwasher, and that makes it nice and easy. So yeah, that's how you use the coffee maker.